Watch this video to learn how to send e-invoices from Xero. Before you can send e-invoices to customers from Xero, you must first add the customer's tax number to their contact record. Click Contacts, then select All Contacts. Enter the customer's name in the search bar or scroll to find them, then click to access their contact record. Click Edit. Click Financial Details to skip to that section of the contact record. Enter the relevant tax number in the Tax ID number field. Click Save and Close. Now you've entered the required tax number, you can invoice your customer via e-invoicing. Use the plus icon and choose Invoice to create a new invoice. Enter the customer name in the contact field and select the customer. If you're a Singapore business, you'll need to enter your customer's payroll ID, followed by @invoice.c and replace the colon with a hyphen. Complete the invoice details. If your customer is a government agency or large enterprise, they might have asked you to include additional information in the reference field. To attach a file, click Attach Files, then Upload Files. Select Include with Online Invoice under the name of the file. Then, select the Send as e-invoice toggle. Double-check that the invoice details are correct, as once an e-invoice is successfully sent and received, you won't be able to make changes and resend it. Finally, click Approve and Send. You have the option to select the checkbox to remove the PDF attachment from the e-invoice. Depending on your region, you may need to select the bank account to which customers can make payments. Click Send to send the e-invoice to your customer. Now you're ready to send e-invoices from Xero.